Do you want an HR career but lack the relevant experience to get started? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. The HR Assistant Internship Program at BeginHR is a practical training course designed as a simulated HR internship. During the program, you will learn about the different duties of an HR assistant. This includes watching informative tutorial videos on various HR topics, completing quizzes to check your understanding, and taking part in practical HR admin tasks. Now, this exciting HR program is completely remote, part time, and at your own pace, so it can easily fit around all your other commitments. It starts as soon as you enroll, so there is no lengthy application process because acceptance onto the internship is guaranteed. Now, some topics you'll learn about will include introduction to HR information systems, recruitment, offer letters and contracts, pre employment background checks, employee inductions, job changes, terminations, HR queries, family leave, HR projects, and HR career planning. Additionally, you'll complete practical HR admin tasks such as data entry, creating and proofreading HR documentation, solving HR queries, conducting research for a learning and development project, and screening CVs for a project manager role. Now, the HR job market is so competitive that even entry level roles require HR experience. And this actually prevents a lot of talented people from being able to enter the industry. Therefore, the HR Assistant Internship Program is the solution to this dilemma. You'll gain valuable HR knowledge and experience to add to your CV, which will give you a competitive advantage in the HR job market. So there's currently over 300 people enrolled onto the HR Assistant Internship Program, and many of them have secured jobs such as HR Administrator, People Coordinator, HR Officer, and HR Advisor. So that tells you that this unique HR program has transformed the careers of so many people by helping them to secure their first HR role. There's plenty of positive reviews as well, which demonstrates that the HR assistant program is high quality. So, what are you waiting for? Don't delay, enroll today.